Hi, I'm Matt Perkins.
And I'm Caitlin Bennett.
Our Gorham Task Force project proposal was a community reuse resource center.
Thelma Botman, the president of the University of Southern Maine, appointed the Gorham Task Force fall of 2011 to reevaluate and strengthen the Gorham campus to be more than a place where students can learn, but rather a well-rounded, living, learning, collegiate experience. Highlighted in the report was the development of living learning communities on college campuses enhances the overall out-of-class experience for campus students.
Our proposed project seeks development of a campus university reuse service provided for resident students, residents of Gorham, and local Gorham businesses. The Reuse Resource Center's function would be to provide a location to recycle and reuse a wide range of products. These items would include normal redemption center recyclables, but anything else we use in our apartments, homes, and businesses.
The Reuse Center meets all three pillars of sustainability. It would improve the environment immensely by recycling not just bottles, cans, cardboard, paper, many types of plastics and glass, but also accept all types of items in an attempt to refurbish and resell, but if needed to be disposed of or recycled properly. This function preserves valuable material resources and keeps items from the landfill that otherwise be disposed of forever, thus boosting current efforts to further reduce the waste stream.
A reuse resource center can improve the economy by creating jobs and job training opportunities while offering the general public secondhand furniture and appliances at reduced rates. These items often facilitate the same needs a new item would. This function reduces dependence on trucked-in goods and increases the supply of materials at reduced costs.
The center also contributes to the society by allowing citizens to become involved in recycling, helping the environment, and reusing goods in different ways, thus promoting environmental awareness and induces a collective feeling within the community of living sustainably and making a difference.
Data needed to implement a resource center would be how big of a facility we need, and that would allow us to find where it could be located. We could then develop an operations plan for staffing requirements, hours of operation, protocols, and initial financing if needed. The following barriers to address would be how much volume and the condition of the material to expect, and that would then allow us to determine the size of the facility and staff needed.
The University of New Hampshire has a Trash to Treasure program. Student volunteers collect materials students throw away at the end of the year. These volunteers sort, refurbish, and price items over the summer. These same materials are sold on campus at a 3-day yard sale during fall move-in. Last year was its first year and diverted 60,000 pounds of waste.
Indiana University has a program called Hoosier to Hoosier. This program also collects material donated by students moving out of the dorms. The material is stored on site and sold at the beginning of the fall moving in period.
Arizona State University has a Ditch the Dumpster program that collects students' unwanted items starting every Earth Day. All items are donated to charity. Boxes for collection are set up around campus.
How a pilot program at USM would work is that each residence hall, a location in the lobby, will be taped off to accept all items reusable. Each resident only needs to bring the item to this location and walk away.
This year, USM, through the Sustainability Office, has secured one semi-trailer to accept all items deemed reusable by students moving out. The tractor trailer will be located centrally between the residence halls, and the existence of this trailer will eliminate the roll-off dumpsters this year.
Items will be sold in a yard sale during the fall move-in period. Anything that will not be sold will be donated to charity.
The data collected on volume of material will be used to determine the feasibility of a resource center or move-in of an annual collect and sell program.